Hi everyone. Thank you for joining today's webinar. My name's Harvey Blake and I'm a regulatory solicitor at Gordon's LLP. So today's session is going to focus on the European Union's Right to Repair Directive, but in particular what businesses need to do now to prepare. It's coming into force quite soon as at the date of this recording, which is July 2026. So if your business hasn't prepared now, it needs to do so. So the Right to Repair Directive forms part of the EU's wider sustainability strategy and circular economy agenda. Put simply, the European Commission wants consumers to repair products more rather than replace them. And the intention is clearly to reduce waste, extend product life cycles, and support more sustainable consumption across the European markets. And whilst the directive principally applies within the EU, and the main theme of this will apply to mostly EU businesses, many UK businesses shouldn't assume that it has no relevance to them. So if you manufacture products for the EU market, or if you supply products into the EU, or operate distributors within the EU, including own brand products into the EU, and then the directive will also affect your business directly.